The 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.